Hello friends, in this video I will tell you about data types and variables. So in previous video we learnt about how to print a string. So we used this system.out.println and in double quotes we gave some string and it printed that as a output in our console. So this time we will learn about data types and variables. So there are various kind of data types like integer. So integer, suppose x, and we can assign also and we can declare also. So let me assign the value to x as 2, and in next line I will give data type as float y equal to 2.5. all right, and let me give as string as and string z. So in z I will give as all right. So this is how we give. What's wrong here? Let me check. Cast to, okay, all right. So here it is asking for typecasting, about which I will explain later. I will explain in upcoming videos, but as of now I declared three variables x, y and z, and now let me use them. So here I'll remove this and put z in here, alright, and here I will print 2 multiplied by x, and in next line I am going to print 2 multiplied by y. Alright, let's see what is the outcome of these three print statements. So in what I declare, I just took integer data type and assigned a variable called x, an integer value. Similarly I took float and string, and now in these three print statement I am printing the output. So since I have saved it, let me just run it. How it works, what is the output, let's check it. So you can check here, hello India, that string first I was printing, let's put ln, that would look better. It will come in different lines. You can see here it is hello India, and then that second output came. So let's do it second again. Let's check what is the output now. So you can see it's our string is printed here, which is the z value. Second time our 2 into 2 into x, it means x value is 2, so output is coming as 4. Similarly 2 into 2.5, it's coming as 5. So this is how our data types work. This is how our variables we can use. These variables we can use in repeatedly. We need not define them again. So this is the benefit of using this. So thank you friends, thanks for watching.